alive. You're okay. Hi, my name is Minnie, and I am a beginner in birds. I want to grow, make an aviary when I'm older. It's 9 o'clock now, and it's really bright outside today. Well, usually the sun comes up every day, but I am a bird lover, like a lot of you people out there, I'm pretty sure. And I want to give up this really good, nice, and pretty room and move out of it and move into my closet over here. I know it sounds weird, but and let my birds roam around here because I'm saving up for a bird, right now. But I was thinking about just selling my cages and putting stuff into the wall and coloring it like Australia and giving my birds some free space to roam around. But I'll keep the floor color the color and put newspaper down there. You know what I mean? But my birds are they're spazzy. So I need some advice for all of you advanced bird people out there, because I need help with that kind of stuff. Because Minnie, she's a spaz. She's the one that got them all to be spazzes. They used to be pretty tame, but she's laid 9 eggs, and I don't know what to do with them. And then Mickey takes over and stuff like that. So I need your help with that stuff. Don't worry, all 4 of them don't stay in the cage. Excuse me. Usually 2 of them are in this cage right here, and then 2 of them are in this cage. My birds' names are Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy. And sometimes those birds go wild on me and they get really loud. You could hear them in the basement. But on the other hand, they're pretty good. So, no. Okay, you're good. Sorry, I don't really know how to handle birds. I really need your help. Please comment this and like this and give me some advice. Please. I know I sound really stupid right now, but I just want to grow an aviary when I'm older, because that's I love birds so much. If I see a bird that's dead or something, I will kill that person or that thing that did it. I am such a bird lover. Just please believe me. Please love Mooney. My name is Mooney. Okay? I have the, first video ever made. Here, I'll give you a couple more seconds of my bird instead of chattering on. Say hello to the camera, Donald. Or not. Hi, Donald. Hi, Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Daisy up there. Hi, Mickey. Mickey is the oldest one. Minnie's the second oldest. Donald is the 3rd oldest. And Daisy is the 4th oldest. So she's the youngest. And thanks for watching my little video. Please just comment this and like this. I mean, seriously, please. Peace.